very cold this morning. I'm not sure exactly how cold, but my nose started freezing when I was breathing through it, so that is quite cold. Chores took an extra long time today because some water was frozen. But now I'm working here on the roof for the cow shelter. We didn't have lumber that was long enough for the entire length of the roof, because we originally had planned a different design at a different spot. So we are now connecting them here and adding about a meter and a half, I would think, roughly. So we took them on our band sawmill, our wood miser, and cut them halfway, 50 centimeters in, and then we will nail them together. Whenever we work on the roof, we don't use screws because nails are much tougher, and it's stronger then. And so we do this, and then we put boards over here and nail them in as well. That was one of the craziest workouts I've done in a long time. These things were super heavy. And ideally you do this with a little crane or at least 2 or 3 people. But circumstances are this way now, so I had to do this myself. I got them all up there. Now the hardest of the work is done. I have to wrap things up now because it's getting dark here in a minute. Gather together the tools, and then the next time I'll mount these real strong with some screws and things on the wall and in the front, and then I will have to mill on our wood miser 2x3s. Put them on here with 40 centimeters distance, and then we put the sheet metal roofing on there. So coming along, supposed to get a little bit of nasty weather now. Not tons of rain, which we need, but more a little bit wet, which makes it not so nice to work outside. So hope I can get this done this week. Thanks for watching, guys.